guys, it's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today it is Vlog Friday. Of course, every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday I upload a whole new video for you guys to check out, hopefully get some inspiration, and just kind of hang out and have some fun together, right? So today I'm going to go ahead and paint a cute shabby style crow. I am in the mood for fall, and when I look at this blank surface right here, it's just a piece of pine plank wood. It's been cut off. It's not even cut like completely straight. It's just a piece like a salvage wood, and I'm gonna make it beautiful today. So thank you for joining me here in my vlog. I've got all my tools, including my bullet coffee, Mickey D's coffee that I, of course, you know, right here on the vlog, I teach you guys what I love to put in my coffee, and some of you guys are like, what? Oh yeah. All right, we're getting going here today with the bullet coffee, and today you're gonna watch me go ahead and create a beautiful, beautiful fall-like scene, something that I probably keep up all year round, to be totally honest with you, but I'm just in that fall vibe, so let's begin. finally done. How gorgeous is this? The fact that I can create decor that perfectly matches my furniture, just I think is the bee's knees and makes me so happy. So I used all of our Chucky style paint colors to create this piece. So of course you saw me in the beginning use vintage white to create the center right here of the moon, and then blended in some of our sunshine yellow as I got a little bit wider. Then I brought in a little bit of purple, spooky purple fall, you know, night sky, raising the bar. And then from there we also brought in a little bit of the Liberty blue as well. So I think those color combos are awesome. And then of course you also saw me use white. Well, you saw me use the white anyhow, but the black as well, our black velvet chalky style paint. So the cool thing is these paints dry a flat matte, which is amazing. If I want to like boost and make this more vibrant, all I have to do is seal it, which you can use our monkey shine or you can use our banana peel. So either way will work awesome on this piece. And then because our paints are made with an acrylic base, it makes it great for painting and creating, but like I said, also for furniture. And the fact that it sticks to pretty much anything under the sun, this means that I could do this picture on, you know, an old window. I could do it on a piece of metal. I could do it on wood. I could do it on canvas. So that means that it really just leaves all the ideas and all the just, you know, the fun stuff that I want to do with paint. It just, you know, it doesn't stop any of my creativity. So I can put this anywhere I want. So hopefully this has been inspiring to you guys today. You saw how this all came together. I hope you will give it a try and at least paint something beautiful and get your creative therapy in this weekend. So thanks for joining me here, my Friday vlog, and new tutorials every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I would love to see a comment below from you guys. Did you like this one? Is he a cutie? Would you totally hang this one in your house? All right, take care, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for the support. Bye.